സംഘികളുടെയും ക്രിസംഘികളുടെയും സപ്പോർട്ടുണ്ട് എന്ന് കരുതി കേരളത്തിലെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു റൂമിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ കുത്തിർന്ന് ഇസ്ലാമിനെതിരെ ഇല്ലാ കഥകൾ പറയുന്നത് പോലെ ആവൂല ലണ്ടനിൽ ചെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല്. ലണ്ടനിൽ ചെന്ന് ഇസ്ലാമിനെതിരെ ഇല്ലാ കഥകൾ പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ലണ്ടനിലെ സാധാരണ ജനങ്ങൾക്കിടയിൽ, പണ്ഡിതന്മാർക്കിടയിലല്ല സാധാരണ ജനങ്ങൾക്കിടയിൽ വളരെ തരം താഴ്ന്ന രീതിയിൽ പരിഹാസ്യനാകുന്ന ഹാരിഫ് ഹുസൈന്റെ വീഡിയോ ആണ് ഇന്ന് സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയയിൽ ഇപ്പൊ പ്രചരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇസ്ലാമിനെതിരെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മറ്റു മതങ്ങൾക്കെതിരെയൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് വിമർശിക്കാം, അതിനൊന്നും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. പക്ഷെ ഇല്ലാ കഥകൾ നമ്മൾ ഒരിക്കലും പറയരുത്. ആ വീഡിയോ നമുക്കൊന്ന് കണ്ടോക്കാം.
He claimed the Quran says you can marry your child, right? I want him to pull out the ayah from the Quran, the verse where it says you can marry your child. If he does not pull that out, then know that this guy is not only a lame Zionist, a lame BJP apologist, he's a liar also.
The words.
Yeah.
Why? You're still looking for it? It's not there. Do you need help? No, I will take it.
He's gonna be looking for the verse all day. Okay. They know when faced with Muslims who study their faith,
One minute,
they
10
have
seconds
nothing but embarrassment. He doesn't even know science. He doesn't know philosophy. He doesn't know why he's ex-Muslim. He doesn't even know anything about Islam. Because I want all Indian Muslims to spread this around India and expose these people. Because Zionism makes you so evil that you become a liar and you become completely mindless. There's a reason why you only make noise online. When faced with a Muslim who knows his faith, you have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing but embarrassment, like you are being embarrassed right now.
30 seconds more.
You have nothing.
Wait. We've been waiting for 5 minutes now.
He doesn't have the ayah. He's pretending that he has something. I know there is no ayah. I know there is no verse in the Quran. Now that is clear, does he have the shame? And I know he doesn't. There's no ayah. There's no ayah. Yeah? There's no verse.
Why are you running away?
There is no verse.
Are you going to run away?
Find it. Find it. I'll wait. I will wait.
Once this video is out,
Wait. Even AI is not helping you.
once this video
Even AI is not helping you.
I'm roaming and my internet is all the information and all the evidence will be there online.
Also, you're going to cut up the videos and then you're going to go there.
That's what he just said.
No. Right here.
Your excuse the internet. I'll give you internet. How about that?
No. We have internet.
I'll give you
Here,
internet.
my phone. My
I'll give you
phone.
internet. So this is how you're going to debate, yeah, online as well. Going to look on ChatGPT and stuff like that, like a kid.
He hates
His friend is telling him, भाग, निकल. वो बोल रहा है उसको निकल भाई, भैया निकल यहाँ से, भैया निकल.
He's going to cut.
Next time, ex-Muslims, self-imposed kafir, do not make challenges you can't keep. He challenged Adnan that he's going to ask this question, and then he has